Hey everyone, it's Misha, aka Pink Cat Hiker. Here to remind you that if you enjoy these videos, make sure you like this one and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, day 10 of Let's try that again. Day 10 of Cross Country Cruisin. I just finished packing up at the Mammoth Cave campground. I am going to head over to the camp store and take a shower. It's the first time I've ever paid for a shower. It's like $2 for 4 minutes or something like that. So I'm glad I brought some cash to get some coins. So I'm gonna head over there and do that now. All right, I just got to my Airbnb. The walls here are very thin. I can hear the neighbors. I don't know where the light switch is for the living room. I'm gonna have to find it because that is a cool light feature. And here's the bedroom. This place is very hip and cool. Oh yeah, see, it's loud, so they even put earplugs there for you. But I love the vibe of this place. It's got these open beams. Here's the bathroom. It's just a really, really neat vibe. The name of this building is the 1865. I found the light switch. I had a really great morning and afternoon catching up with my friend Chad and seeing his wife and his daughter, and we knew each other in high school and haven't seen each other in about 20 years. So yeah, it was just really, really nice to catch up and meet his little family, and he took me around East Nashville a little bit, and we went to a pumpkin patch, and now I'm exhausted, and it's like, I don't know, 5 something, 6, I don't know. I'm ready for bed. I'm so tired. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain all day. All right, it's my Nashville exploration day, so I am going to oh, I've got that travel cough. I'm gonna go in search of some breakfast. All right, so I just had breakfast at the Frothy Monkey, and it was so yummy. I bet this is really cute at night with all the lights strung up, but here's the downtown Presbyterian Church. It's really pretty. All right, here's the famous Ryman Auditorium. Cool brick building. I love the architecture. Okay, next stop on my walking tour of Nashville downtown is the Symphony Center. I'm at the Johnny Cash Museum. I've got 5 minutes until they open. And then we'll go in. Okay, there was no video allowed inside the museum, so there's a bunch of pictures for you.
cross over this bridge. It's really, really windy. I have a feeling it's going to be super windy on the bridge. I don't know what that stadium is. Nissan Stadium. Home of the Tennessee Titans. Looks like it's football. I don't know. I don't do football. Oh, look. A Hard Rock that's still there. Walked around Broadway for a bit. Found this really cute little vintage shop. Bought a few things there. I think I'm gonna go try to find somewhere to sit, maybe have lunch, even though I'm not that hungry, but I got lots of time to kill before tonight. Alright, I just had a mushroom coffee at EU Wellness Rose, something like that. Now I'm going to Printer's Alley. Alright, so this Daddy's Dogs place is actually what is serving at the venue tonight for the Thrice concert, assuming it's still happening. And then that's the other side of the alley.
Morning, while making the rounds, took a shot of cocaine and I shot my woman down. Went right home and I went to your bed. I stuck that loving 44 beneath my bed. The next morning I grabbed that gun. I took a shot of cocaine and away I run. Made a good run, but I ran too slow. They overtook me down on Juarez, Mexico. Oh, your love is a burning thing. It makes a fiery ring. We're bound by a wild desire. I fell into a ring of fire. Last dance, Mary Jane. One more time, kill me. And I feel summer creeping and I heard this time to get me in. When my papa came down in Georgia. this one before. It's a great song. We appreciate you so much.